Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this, I'll be making the TV application where, basically, TV application is used in TV. That is noun. So what I will be doing here is I'll be using one image of a movie, maybe one of my favorite movies. I'll be giving a brief description about it. I'll be giving few buttons here, and I'll just let me begin with this. So I'll go with the Spider-Man, Spider-Man into the Spider-Verse. Yeah, I'll get a screen of that Spider-Man into the Spider-Verse. So I'll just go to image. I'll put a poster. Maybe I could go with something like this looks good, but it has a thing there. I'll go with this. Okay, I'll just type in even the size also 1920 into 1080 wallpaper. So I'll get a good one. I have this as my wallpaper, so I can use this one. But meanwhile, I'll just look into something else, something interesting. Okay, I can take this one. This looks nice, and it is a 4K wallpaper. Let it load. Huh. So I'll just drag this to here so that I can fit in things, and I'll just rotate it so that I have a space to write here. I'll reflect it. Okay, and I'll just type in Spider-Man into the Spider-Verse here. Spider-Man. Okay, wait. Why not I just go back here, here, and why not I go to this all and just Spider-Man into the Spider-Verse. Copy this. Control C. Control A, Control V. Okay, what I'll do is for the font, I've found a new font. I'll just go there, go to Google Fonts. Google Fonts. I hope I find the font which I'm looking for. It's called Less Sans. Yes. Okay, I do not have Less Sans here, so what I'll do is I'll just search in the web Less Sans font free download. Yeah. So I'll just go to the font. Yeah, I'll go to the font. And yeah, this is a very minimal typeface, so I'll just download this. And again I'll download this, click on this, extract, open. So we have bold, light, and normal less one. So what I'll do is I'll just open everything, install, close, install, close, and install, and then close. So what I'll do is I'll just close even this also. I'll go to my artboard. I'll just use less. So I'll just go here. Okay, I think all the fonts are not installed. Okay, it has not synced all the fonts, so I have a problem here. I'll tell you how to solve the problem. I can't go maybe lighter, but I can go darker. So what I'll do is I'll just go white and like Control Z, and I'll go white here, or maybe this dark, and give it a border with the same color. I can actually increase the border so it look like that I've given it a nice bold type. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just give this in the next line. Okay, I'll give this in the next line, and maybe increase the size of this. Give me a second. So I'll just take only this one, and maybe reduce the size of that. And I think I'll even change the color for this. No, I don't want to do that. This is looking kind of bad. I think I need more space on the 10. So I have enough space. So what I'll do is I'll just maybe select everything here and remove the border. No, I am I'm little confused. Okay, for to solve this, I have another solution for this. So I'll just make a box here and give it a gradient, all black, all black. I'll just select from here to here. Okay, once I select this, I'll just reduce the opacity. Once the opacity is reduced, I will have enough area to write here, so I'll just go with white. So this is one problem solved here. I'll increase this, and maybe I'll just give a random text here. Okay, I'll go with less, and I'll change the font size to maybe 28. Okay, I'll have to select everything and make 28. Okay, I'll just go to the web. I'll go down here after gaining the superpowers, blah blah blah, control C and then control A, control V. So we have this. I'll just reduce it to maybe 34, and I think I'll even increase this. 34 is too crumbled. Okay, 46 is kind of looks kind of good. I'll even reduce the size of this. So we have our what do you say, maybe our name of the movie, the description of the movie. Okay, Morales. So I have this here, save multiverse. Okay, so okay, this is not what I expected. Okay, meat also, I'll anyways put it back there. Huh, this kind of looks good, but Spider-Man is separated, which I don't like. So I'll just give another a little bit, so Spider-Man fits in properly. And I'll give here two buttons saying watch now and watch trailer. Okay, so I think the height is too much. Height is fine. Okay, height is fine. I'll just put watch now. Watch now. Okay. Once I select that, I will even go little gray. Watch now looks good, but I'll have to reduce the size of this. Select this, watch trailer. So we have both the buttons. I will have to make it rounded. I think I'll go with maybe a 15. 15 should be fine, but it looks too much. I'll just go with a normal one. So this one, I think what color can be used? I think I'll go with maybe a orangish. So not this also, just somewhere in the golden part. So we have this. I'll just remove the borders. So we have watch trailer and watch now. I'll even give a IDMB rating. I'll just go for a original IDMB rating, 8.4. So I will have to look for an IDMB logo. IMDb, sorry, IMDb. I'll just grab this logo to my here. Okay, that is bad. I'll just grab the logo again, drop it here, get that here, give it a small one, give it here, round the corner, around the corner, so that it legitimate. IMDb 8.4 out of 10. So I'll select the same text. 8. Okay, 8.4 to 10. So what I'll do is I'll just make it smaller one, very small, really small. And I think I'll have to change the font for this alone. I'll go with Open Sans for that. Oh, this is not nice. This does not look nice, but I'll go with less only, everything. This I'm not liking this, so I'll just go with Open Sans again. Huh. Looks good, looks good. So we have IMDb rating here. We have everything here. I really like this movie a lot. I really like it still because the animation, the graphics are amazing in this movie. I'll just go and put a border here. I'll just put one thickness so that it is not too thin, not too thick. I think I'll go with the color of this IMDb. Okay. This thing looks nice. I am a little confused. What else could be missing? This looks fine actually. We have all the buttons necessary. We have the poster of the movie, description. So basically, what in all movies in the TV show, we have everything here. So yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Do like my videos, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification, comment on my video, share it with your friends, and yeah, see you in the next video.